later on in this tutorial. Now what I want to do, I want to go on footer widgets. Okay, top border color, select color. This is the border color. That's fine, but if you want to change, you can change, but I like gray, little bit darker, little bit light, like this. Publish. Top border color. Okay, top border size we can increase, but let it be 3. Colors and background. Click on this, select color. I want green, blue, green. This color is fine for me, maybe a little bit lighter. Publish. Background image. Click on select image. Select. So you can see the background image. If you want, you can put, but I don't want, so I want to remove this. Okay, content, title color, text color, title color I want white, and text color also I want white. And when I hover, link color I want blue. Footer bar. This area is called footer bar, and footer bar I want to remove this. Name of my company. Space. I don't want theme author, and this I don't want this pipe icon. That's perfect. Louis Bond. This is, click on publish. You can go back, widgets, footer widget area 1, add widget. So what I want to do next, I want to add footer widget area 1. So what I want to add, now click on add widget. I can add all these widgets. I can add image, gallery, custom HTML, categories, calendar. You can choose as per your requirements, but according to me, here my requirement is this text. Title, I want to give it follow us. Just write contact person name. After that, what you have to do, you have to first you go on keyboard and press shift at the same time enter. See, you might be confused while you are making your website, so be careful. When after this I want to write down my mobile number, so what I do, when I enter it, it goes 2-3 inches down. So I want to continue with this. So finish the gap. Just first you press shift, then enter at the same time, shift, then enter. So it will be in the same error line. Okay. So guys, this is how you can fill up your details about followers. Next we have footer widget area 2. So let me publish it and go back. Footer widget area 2, add a widget. So what I want to add in the footer area widget area 2, this time I want to add gallery, and title I want to say new arrival. I want to save 4 items. That is sufficient, I think. Or else I can add more. Click on add to gallery. Update gallery. This is okay in my opinion. Give title, new arrival. So guys, we have done footer widget area 2. Now we will see footer widget area 3. To publish, I can go back, footer widget area 3, add a widget. This time what I want to show. See, on the front page or every footer page, this company is in leather industry, so they manufacture so many products. They do exports, they are manufacturer, they are exporter, they are retailer and wholesaler, and one of the department they have corporate supplies. That means all banks or other companies and hospitals or school institutions or government companies, they supply bulk quantity like school bags, college bags, card holder, luggage bags. There are so many products, caps, t-shirts and all that. They supply in bulk to corporate sector. So this time I want to add text. So whenever the visitors will see their website, so the buyer will say, hey, this guy is doing amazing because they have so many products and I like these products, it's beautiful. So the title will be promotional item, and in the text body I am going to mention all the products what we can supply to the corporate companies because it's a big market. So guys, these we call promotional items, which they are big in demand in corporate sector. They will give the buyer, they give regularly to the doctors in like pharma industries or in schools and colleges, and in every sector almost everybody they provide all these things free to their staff, to their distributor, to their clients on a regular basis. So this is a very big market. So what next? We have done footer widget area 3. Now we will see footer widget area 4. So let me click on publish. I can go back to footer widget area 4, add a widget, what I want to show. Here I want to show something interesting by which the visitors can understand, hey, this guy is amazing, what he is offering is amazing, so they can get in contact with us. Custom HTML. Title. The title is corporate gift items. Now I can add a widget one more, so click on this. Gallery. This time I want to add belt, bags, office bags, insert gallery. Update gallery. I think this is much better. So guys, now we have successfully created our footer widget area. So till now we have done logo, the divider, menu, in the tagline, and in the menu we can see all these pages. You can close this, and this footer and footer bar, Louis font. If you like what you see so far, please like this video and feel free to subscribe for more upcoming video about WordPress and starting your own business. And if you want to learn how to design premium website, any kind of a website, you can give comment below and you can discuss with me. I will be giving tutorial on that. Thank you for watching this video. God bless to all. Thanks a lot.